Okay, this is turned off right now. I have everything hooked up. You have to go slow because sometimes this piece will become disconnected. I'll show you what to do if it does. But to start it, to start vacuuming, just take this, put it down like this, kind of push that down in there, come down to this. There's a trigger here. Voila. Start vacuuming. When done, turn this off. This will bubble and pop up. Disconnect the tube, the hose, put it back on, turn that back on, you're done. If the tube becomes disconnected while you're vacuuming, you will need to turn off the pump, reinsert the hose, put this back down, kind of gently just put it down there, turn this back on. You will see the tube move, the hose move, because it's getting the air out. So after it moves, you need to stop, and there will be lots of bubbles that come out, not just those. Okay, and this, you just push down again and restart. Down there. That's it.